and now you're hearing the audio on the Q7 Plus. What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, we're going to be doing a camera review of the LG Q7. I'm going to show you guys the video, the audio, and the picture quality, and then towards the end of the video you can make your decision of the cameras on the Q7 Plus. This is the camera angle from direct sunlight, and now the other way, and the Q7 Plus. Let's go a little bit closer to the water. Now we're going to do a test on the front-facing camera. So this is the front camera, and I have my friend Taha right here. He's helping me out. So this right here is the Q7 Plus front-facing camera. There you go. This is the quality. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Show you guys the photos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos, and then if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. See you guys in the next one.